Hello everyone, this is my review of the Eufrozy Game Neon Sign, which I think is a great look for decorating a gaming area with this decor. It has a USB power cord and remote attached to it, turning it on and off and adjusting the brightness. It comes with three ways to mount it to the wall: a chain, screws, and some adhesive hooks. The design is sleek and the vibrant colors really stand out, creating the perfect gaming atmosphere. One of the best features is that it's dimmable, so you can adjust the brightness depending on the vibe you want it. It's also super easy to hang on the wall. It's convenient, making it easy to install. This would make a perfect gift to a teenager or gamer, and I hope this video helps.